we'll just drag down this clip into our timeline. What I'm looking to do here is just get this player passing twice. So just preview that, watch it a couple of times, and once I've decided where I want it to stop, two options here. You can press Command B or right click on that section and it will split the clip. You need to select the split clip from the right click option. Okay, and because I'm doing like a compare analysis here for two players, I'm just going to go through and play it again from this point. First of all, just play it up to this point, which you'll see in a second, and I'll split it because I don't need that part. Okay, so just go back. You can use the arrows for fine adjustment on the clip that goes back frame by frame in slow motion, and again just press Command B to split or right click and then split. Once you're happy with that, you can just again decide which bit you want or don't want, which we can see there. So it's just two passes again from this player, and once I'm happy I can press Command B and then get rid of that last chunk. What I've just done there, I've just dragged it on top of the other layer. I'll show you why now. Okay, so I'm just looking to see as well if they're of similar lengths, which we can change later on, a bit more detail. Our next step is to click on the video overlay settings and then select split screen. Of course, what it does, it just puts both of them into different sides of the screen, the top on the left and the bottom on the right, which you can switch if you want. But I like the way they were facing each other in this one. Okay, again, we're looking for the timing here, which we're going to edit in a bit, but that's just how we do the split screen. Right, what I've done, I've just zoomed in and actually split these clips apart so that I can have the first half as its normal speed, second half I'm going to slow it down, and that will help with my sports analysis. So the second half, really easy to do for the slow down. You just, first of all, select the clip and then go to the speed icon. Once selected, you'll get some options here, normal, slow, fast, and so on. I've just went for the 10% default option. I think it's more than adequate to show the analysis of passing. Okay, because it's quite straightforward. So we just want to check that a couple of times through. You will notice as well that I have a split clip on the top layer. It's because the timing was a little bit off with both players, because the player on the left was slower to trap and pass the ball, whereas the player on the right was a bit quicker. So that did take a little bit of time, but it's certainly worth that investment when you are doing your analysis.